I'm replacing a Hochiki photo smoke detector this morning. I need to install a new head, but I need to gain the address of the old head. I'm using a Hochiki programmer. So you place the old head onto the Hochiki programmer, like so. You then press the two bottom buttons, and this will give me the existing address, which is 59 in this case. You remove that head and you collect your new Hochiki smoke detector. You place this onto the Hochiki programmer, press the two bottom buttons, which will give you the default address. You then move it till it says the address that you require, 59, and press the blue button. You will get green LEDs flash, and that new smoke detector is addressed to the existing one that you require. Thank you.